Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can tag someone in a Facebook post after publishing it. Please subscribe to our channel, don't forget to put likes, write your comments, and let us get started with you. So, first of all, open up the Facebook app. And then when you're on the main page, you'll need to go to your profile. You can do that by clicking on your image at the top under the word Facebook. This way you will be taken to your account. Next, if you start scrolling down, you will see all the posts that you have. And let's say you decide to mention a person in one of the posts. Then you will need to near the post. At the top, click on the three dots. And then you'll need to select Edit Post. Also scroll down a little bit. And here at the bottom you will be able to see this sign in the form of a man. You click on it. And this way you can see all your friends, or you can write in the search box the name of the friend you are looking for. And after that you will be able to mark this person. As you can see, the person has been tagged. You can do this a lot of times, not just one friend to mark. So, after you have marked the people you want, you click Ready. Then you click Save. Now you can refresh the page. And if we scroll back, you can see that it now says that my post is with another person together. That is, I've tagged the person in the post. So that's the very simple way, friends, you can tag someone in Facebook posts after you've already published them. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.